Welcome to the mix, and making it in the mix today is Dwayne as he calls out 13. He refers to her as an opportunist and explains that he didn't see it before and that this could have been the reason why she wanted to isolate him from the people he says are really for him. He explains that when he says he loves, he genuinely loves, as he doesn't take those words lightly. He asks that his followers don't speak ill or negatively towards them. 13, you choose your side, I'm a loser for you. Thank you nonetheless, nothing is hidden, and please but my numbers and don't contact me again. It's full time a little ago because I don't meet me well, he said. I don't cut off people so fast. They have to show me who they are. To get more of the story, here's a clip of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Man, you love jam me out. I'm saying tan. I know some more than I'm too. Anyways, anyways, anyways. But it knows that the time I was gonna come. It was only a matter of when, right? It was only a matter of when. We are there now. We're there now. We're there now. We are there now. This is how I know some people have no respect. The last time we had a conversation, right? They said to me, I would never do X, Y, or Z to anyone or I class as a friend, right? And today, this person come back and name them own words, right? It's like swallowing your own vomit. If I didn't know you was like this, as I lift my hand to the good Lord above, I would have never given you no voice. And a lot of people are going to say this is a prank and this is fake and this is whatever. But I promise you, maybe other times before it was all made up. But this time, I'm got too far. Way too far. And honestly, I'm going to say as well, if they choose to go on their page and bash me, curse me, whatever the case may be, I don't care. Thank God. Thank God I helped you. Thank God I gave you a voice. You now have that voice. I wish you nothing but the absolute best in whatever you choose to do. Just know that today is where I'm gonna say enough is enough. You've gone too far this time. You've gone too far. Way too far. Honestly, I'm never gonna share my stuff back in. I'm never gonna share my stuff back over there either. Because I know a lot of you on social media. And guys, I'm not looking no sympathy from any of you. None at all. None at all. I've never once a day in my life, no matter what we've gone through, I've never once a day in my life disrespect anyone in your family, told you about any of your family, because that is where the line draw, right? If me say you is my friend, me nah go, even if we have any kind of disagreement, whatever the case may be, me nah go to that level and speak negatively or ill about anyone in your family or your surroundings. Well, this time yes, I have. Yes, I have. I have. No going back now. Me done say. So this one. You're right. You're right. You're right, Jess. You're right. All I can do is make my actions speak for themselves moving forward. I'd play it for you guys to hear. But because I know I respect my mum way too much to put this out on my platform, I'm not going to. Just know, say, 13, want to send out this message. Tell her, you got too far now. You've gone too far. Never once have I ever disrespected your mum, any of your family members. Never. Yes, we run a joke with you, but the minute you sent me that voice note this morning, it showed me you have no respect for me. You are someone who to me, you're an opportunist. You are an opportunist. And I see it very clearly now. I see it very clearly now. Any one of you who... I'd rather you guys unfollow me. I've opened up my page now because I want you to hear this message. Right? I want you to hear this message. You say you're going to rub Saturday? Go right ahead. Here we go again. You pick up business that you had no concern in. No concern. Why wasn't you telling the people to stop with them nonsense? Why wasn't you telling them that? But as soon as I decide to come in my life, you're gonna come tell me to stop? No, darling. I was doing lives way before you came here, and I'm going to continue to do lives way after you too. Thank God I gave you a platform. I don't care what no one says. Thank God I've now given you a platform.
That's it
you
for
can
today.
now go to your
Nice
page
clean
and voice your
blenders.
own opinions.
Thanks for watching and look out for the new videos posted daily. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.